Hey everybody, welcome back to LPS DIYs. Last time in the episode, we were saying welcome back to Blue Sky LPS. Oh, how we miss it. And then again, we don't. We're actually happy with LPS DIYs. Thank you so much for 50 subs. We are so happy for this. And before we get on with the video, we gotta say we're very happy and we're very sorry for not posting for 2 weeks. We've been very busy. I think we're gonna start posting whenever we have the time. So it'll be easier. What is wrong with my necklace? Okay, as you can guess in the title, well, not really guess, but as you can see in the title, we are going to be making an LPS necklace. So, I don't know if we should do headbands as well. You know what? It's pretty much the same thing, just more beads. So, we have America here as a model. We're not making this exact one, but we will be making a necklace. This is a complete outfit that we've made. It's not hard to make. We prefer this on animals with like things on their ears, kind of like this, to actually hold the headband in place. Like cats, collies, all of those. Yeah. Anyhow, let's get on with the supplies that you will need. Oh, wow. You'll be needing elastic string, some scissors, and some assorted beads. We've chosen these type and they're very pretty. And we got these glass beads from Walmart. We're pretty sure they're easy to find. Look at this. We're under 15 years and it recommends that it's for children 15 and older. And of course you'll be needing an LPS to try the necklace and or headband on. Let's get started. First things first, take your scissors and cut a long strand of string, but not too long, but also not too short. Once you have done that, this is what you should have. Now take a large bead and go ahead and string it. So that will be the middle bead. We are going to be taking 2 glass beads and putting them on each side. This is what you should have once you've stringed your beads. We are going to take these 2 green beads and put them on each side. It's not hard, and yet it can be a little bit if the string doesn't want to go through the little holes. Sometimes it could give you trouble, but don't worry, keep trying, you'll eventually get it. This is what you should have once you've done it. Repeat until you have 6 beads on each side. The shapes and sizes of the beads will determine the size of your necklace or headband. And if you want your necklace to be a little loose fitting, I suggest that you put on 2 more on each side. If you are fine with what you have, go ahead and start tying your necklace. I was going to say bracelet. So right here, because you don't want it too loose or too tight either, so go ahead and do a double knot for safety. It may look like it's tight, but don't worry, you can also stretch it out a little bit. This is what you should have. We're gonna go ahead and do 2 more knots because we love triple knots. That keeps it the most secure. It works best for us. This is what you should have, but make sure to trim these off unless you want to look weird on YouTube. Make sure they're short enough, but also long enough so that you can still pull it in case one of your knots tries to come loose. So this is what you should have. And be sure to try it on your LPS to make sure it fits. This style of necklace is preferably used on collies, cats, and other pets with skinny necks. Just like America here. I don't have that skinny of a neck. I know. But this is the beauty that comes out. Shimmery. Shimmers in the light. And if you want a headband, go ahead and repeat the steps, but add more beads, and you should be able to get what you want. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you have not subscribed, and be sure to share with friends and family, because we still want to grow. Well, we gotta fly for now, but we'll see you in the next video, angels. Yay! Easter's coming up. I think we'll be doing an Easter special next Saturday. We'll try our best, but if we're too busy, well, we're too busy. But we will try our hardest. Okay, bye angels. See you in the next video.